The weekly range framework. Okay, what we look for is on Sunday, we determine the new trading week's opening price. Now, this will aid us in intra-week with day trade directional bias to work with. Now, I already know some of you are thinking and panicking, oh no, I don't use Sunday candles. My broker doesn't use Sunday data. No problem. Just use your opening on Monday. It's not that big of a deal. It's still going to come to the same consensus anyway. Just relax. It's not going to be that much of a disparity. But we're going to note this Sunday opening, and we're going to note it and draw it out in time all the way through our 60-minute or 1-hour chart all the way up to Thursday. Now, the weekly range framework, what we do with this is we take that opening range price from Sunday and we draw it out on our hourly chart, and we draw it all the way until Thursday. Now, why is it Thursday? Well, because your profiles say on Thursday you could see a reversal unfold for the week. So while we do have some rules that we're going to be sharing with you here, Thursday may change that entirely, and it'll also frame a high probability reversal confirmation, if you will, if price gets back above, and when it's bearish, like for instance, look at this chart here. If price were to trade back above the opening price on Sunday during Thursday's trading, we've probably turned the corner. We've had a major intra-week reversal, and that many times indicates a longer-term one-shot, one-kill bullish. So we could get in sync with that. If not on the next day and Friday, we can certainly be in sync with it the next trading week. So think about that in terms of intra-week reversals. If we see it trade back above, on this case, since it was bearish for the week, if we trade above Sunday's opening on Thursday, we've had an intra-week reversal, and obviously that goes without saying. It's pretty obvious. And some of you that are very cynical would say, well, good grief, that's obvious, Michael. But think about what it's telling you. You've had a intermediate term reversal, so now, therefore, Friday may not give you a setup to trade long, but next week you can. You can trade long on Monday right out the gate, looking for a low in New York and London to get long and take those positions throughout the rest of the next week. If this scenario was reversed and we had Sunday's opening forecast all the way and drawn through our hourly chart all the way up to Thursday, and it started bullish for the week and then traded down Thursday through that Sunday's opening price, that registers a potential weekly reversal. So therefore, we can get in sync the very next day on Friday selling short, or the next week our scenario would go into that new week going short right from jump on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, looking for the high of the week to form, and then therefore going short every day the following week based on that insight. But the Sunday opening price filter, we look for price to trade above this level generally early in the week during bearish weekly directional bias. In other words, we're expecting price to trade down away from a PD array that's a premium. Okay, we've seen price move up into a premium. It's already traded. IPTA's already fulfilled a premium level. So therefore, we're expecting expansion on the downside. And we see the opening price, and then price starts to trade up Sunday and going into Monday, trades above it. So therefore, we're seeing a little bit of a Judas swing. That's the criteria we're looking for. And then throughout the rest of the week, as long as price is lower than this Sunday opening price each day of the week, we look to sell short in all of our day trades. Caveat is until a higher time frame PD array that's contrary to how our trade is unfolding is traded to. In other words, if we're looking for bearish ideas, okay, directionally wise, we're expecting the weekly candle to be closing lower than it opened on Sunday. In other words, the weekly candle closing Friday will close lower than it opened on Sunday's opening, or if your data provider opens on Monday. If we're expecting that down candle on a weekly basis, as long as we are trading below the Sunday's opening price, we're looking to sell short every single day in London and continuation in New York. But this is only true in this case while we're looking for sell days every day of the week while we're below the Sunday opening price. That's true only until we trade to a higher time frame discount PD array. That has us on caution, and we may see an intra-week reversal if that happens. Otherwise, we continuously take day trades short in London and continuations in New York.